Dear friend, welcome to Easy Classes. If you are looking for alternative software for Microsoft Office, then you are in the right place. Today I am going to show you a free and open source Microsoft alternative software for you. And don't worry, you no need to pay a single penny for this. And also you can able to create Word files, PPT files and Excel files on your Windows operating system. So guys, before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Well, let's see how we can do that. First we have to download the software called LibreOffice. Open any browser and search for LibreOffice. Then you will find www.libreoffice.org. So this is the official site we have to download the software. Click on that to open. Guys, I have provided this URL in the video description. Go there and check. So once you land on the home page, you will find the download now button. Let's read first. LibreOffice is a free and powerful office suite and a successor to OpenOffice.org. So this is from OpenOffice, and its clean interface and feature-rich tools help you to unleash your creativity and enhance your productivity. You can use this software for your daily life tasks as well as for professional tasks. Let's download it. Click on the download now button and you will be having multiple versions you can download, and make sure you have selected the right operating system. I'm using Windows 64-bit. If you want to know what system type you are using, just go to this PC, right click somewhere and select properties, and there you will find the system type. I'm using 64-bit. If you are using 32-bit, you can select 32-bit operating system, but I'm using 64-bit. So once you found the system type, come to the download page. There you have to select the system type, then hit download, and then it will automatically start to download once it hit the button. Friends, this is around 339 MB in my case. Let me come back once it finished. Okay, the LibreOffice has downloaded. Just click on the downloaded file and hit run to start installation. Let me minimize the browser and hit next. You will be having two options, like you can start with typical installation or you can customize the installation. But I always recommend go with the typical installation, then hit next. You can create a shortcut on the desktop by checking this box and hit install. Say yes to continue. Okay friends, it's installing. Within few seconds it will be completed. Okay, it's finished. Let's hit finish, and now you can see the LibreOffice icon on the desktop. Double click on that to open, and in the left sidebar you will be find like create the document or spreadsheet or presentation, or you can draw. These are the tools that they are providing for free that you can use. So let me create a Word document by selecting the writer document. Then you can start editing here. You can see that you will be having almost all tools which the Microsoft Office providing you. So once you edit your document, go to file and save as, or you can export as PDF also. Friends, I strongly recommend you to use this software if in case you can't purchase the Microsoft Office, and I trust this LibreOffice software will provide the all necessary tools to create the Microsoft documents or presentations. So that's it friends, this was the quick and simple tutorial on how to download and install free Word alternative that called LibreOffice software on your Windows 10 operating system. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment the video. Well, I trust I will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.